My name is Shamimur Akanda, a postdoc at Dr. Laurie Seton's lab at Washington University in St. Louis, and I'm the recipient of 2025 PhRMA Foundation Postdoctoral Delivery Fellowship. So ever since I was a kid, I really enjoyed studying math and physics. That's what led me to study engineering. During my undergrad, I studied mechanical engineering, and during that time, I got interested in research. And that brought me to the US for a PhD at University of Delaware. I did my PhD in Dr. Chris Price's lab focusing on cartilage biomechanics. That experience sparked my interest in the connection between engineering and biology. And I started to think about ways to use engineering tools to improve treatment strategies. Thus, after my PhD, I joined Dr. Laurie Seton's lab at WashU to further study musculoskeletal health and drug delivery. My research supported by PhRMA Foundation in Dr. Seton's lab focuses on predicting residence time and clearance of drug through the knee joint using a computational model. Drug delivery through a joint depends on multiple factors, such as what is the type of drug, what is the type of drug carrier, and what is the joint tissue. All of these are very complex systems. And that's why animal studies include lots of trial and errors to define drug dosage, drug type, and drug carrier. That's why this work is very important. If we can accurately simulate drug transport to the joints before moving to the animal studies, we can significantly improve the design of preclinical experiments. That means making better decisions about drug type, drug carriers, and ultimately develop an efficient experimental study. In this way, we can reduce cost and accelerate progress toward effective joint treatments. So the PhRMA Foundation Award means a lot to me, and I'm really humbled to receive this award. So it's not just a financial support, it's also an acknowledgement of confidence for my research project. So early career scientists often work on high-risk, high-gain projects, and having stable funding helps us to explore the new ideas and take those risks. So my advice for young people is don't be afraid to try something new, and it is okay if things don't go as planned. Every failure is a learning opportunity, and research isn't about having all the answers. It's about learning how to ask the right questions. So being passionate with the process, staying curious, and surrounding ourselves with the people who can challenge us and support us is very important. And we should also appreciate that there is no right path to research. Our backgrounds and perspectives are really valuable, and science grows when different opinions are on the table. So what I find most fulfilling about my work is that how interdisciplinary it is. I get to combine biology, engineering, and computational modeling, which keeps things really interesting and always evolving. Every challenge pushes me to think creatively and collaborate with others, which I really enjoy. I also love the fact that my work connects me with researchers from different fields, such as medicine, biology, material science, and so on. Having those conversations, learning from each other, and exchanging ideas really elevate the quality of the work I'm working on. Finally, what motivates me most is that I'm working on a project that will have real-life impact on patient care and develop better therapeutic strategies for joint disease. So my long-term goal is to become a leading R&D scientist in the industry working at the intersection of engineering and musculoskeletal biology. In the future, I see myself leading projects that turn scientific ideas into real-world application, especially in the area of musculoskeletal biology. Whether it is improving targeted therapies or optimizing drug deliveries or advancing how we treat joint disease, I want to contribute to research that directly benefit patient care.